Hey guys, I am Aayush and this is going to be my very first video about an all-terrain robot. So without any further delays, let's get into it and see this robot battle against different surfaces like tall grass, cement, rocks and even a special obstacle course which are specifically built for this robot. So let's get started.
This is the complete view of the robot. Now let's power up this robot. The body is attached to the base via a hinge and a rubber system. The front lights and the back lights can be controlled by the controller as well. This is the special obstacle course that I was talking about. It has total of 4 obstacles, which are a 2-inch block, stairs, a speed breaker, and an up and down ramp. The whole track is made up of scrap pieces of wood. Now before moving forward, I would want you to like this video right now by pressing that thumbs up button and click on that red subscribe button so you never miss out another video. So let's start. Now let's see my all-terrain robot versus my special obstacle course. Now let's take a look on the footage of the robot's onboard camera. This seems to be more rough and bumpy as compared to the previous footage, and to be honest, this is well over what I hypothesized. Now let's see this robot up against an uneven cement surface. This one would be quite easy considering it completed the cement quite easily. Now it's up against soft mud, which would be quite a challenge.
Yes, good.
Now let's see it run on a rocky terrain. Now let's see the robot up against tall grass.
Yes, go on.
Let's see this robot survive a fall. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell beside the subscribe button. Also share this video. Share this video as much as possible. Until we meet next time. Happy tinkering!